Hello, I'm Mark, and today we're gonna review the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. First of all, I'm French, so please excuse my accent. I may do some grammatical, phonetical, and also lack vocabulary, but I will do my best to give you my thought on this phone. This phone is coming from China because there is no seller in Europe. We don't have global roam yet. So I asked one of my friends if he can get me the phone. And if you see my main channel, Mark Electric, it is in French. I get to work with the Chinese people. So I have the opportunity to get one of the model. To be completely honest with you, I already unboxed it to see if everything was alright. And if people already bought the product from China, there in China, they will unbox the product right away in front of you and they will check if everything is okay. So before you buy it, even if it is completely new, they will unbox it in front of your eyes and they will check if everything, the ROM, the features, is everything's alright, the screen, etc, etc. So here you can see the price. So I will just protect the personal information. This is the price. It is in yuan and it cost 6,299 yuan. Here you have the charger. So this is Chinese charger, but it is the fast one. So I will just need an adapter and everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be okay. Here you have the box. Inside you will find a protection. You see, you will find a protection and also the tools to insert your SIM card. Just under there is the phone. It looks like this. Yes. So my friend already install some stuff and this is how it looks. Premium. Oh my god, this is awesome. I want to tell you as well that I am filming with my Xiaomi 14 Ultra. This is awesome. This is incredible actually. Okay, so now before I start talking about spec on this phone, let's say something right away. I saw a lot of videos saying, oh, Xiaomi is copying Apple, blah 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 blah. Well, I think that a lot of people are actually using this for clickbait, you know, and or they use this because they don't know about the Xiaomi history as well. For the little story, I bought the first photophone in France, the flagship killer that was called, and then I got also the Xiaomi M11 Ultra. And if you remember the 11 Ultra, he had a screen behind. So this is not a copy, you know. This is something that Xiaomi already did in the past. So for me, it doesn't look like a copy. The only thing that can look like a copy, it will be the name, you know, 17, because they jump the series, skip the 16 generation. So in this way, you can tell that they got inspired by Xiaomi. Another thing, in China, copying is not a bad thing. And it's not really copying, it's getting inspired from the best. And this is not a bad thing. This is how they keep the competition up. This is actually the website I use, and I think that a lot of people are using to talk about the spec and the benchmarks of the phone. So this is the website I use. It's XIAOMI. About the cons, they said it was the price and overheat. I didn't had any issue with this. Actually, the stereo speakers and the Dolby Atmos technology, they said that it give you immersive blah blah blah. Well, I don't know, because who really use speakers on their phone now? Like, the Bluetooth is amazing because I don't had any issue connecting my headphones, earplugs, etc. So yeah, no issue at all. But about the stereo speakers, I'm not a specialist, so I won't speak about it. They are great. They are loud and great. About resistance against dust and water, it's IP68 and 69. They said that you can put it on water. I didn't try it, but I guess that like a lot of phones now, when you drop it accidentally in waters, you can most of them you can save them. But for real usage, I already record videos when it was raining and the phone didn't have any issue at all. So here, while I am on the plane, I wanted to show you how you can actually change the language setting in the settings. So you need the set edit. It's like an app that you will find, and then you go to system local, and then you change the value. You click to edit value and you select. For me, so it was FR, so you change the language of your choice, and then you reboot the phone. It will be working at maybe 90%, but some of the settings will still be in Chinese. Alright guys, so just so you know, I will use the opportunity that I have a autonomy test and night ride test for my main channel, and then I will use this opportunity to film you some night shot with the 17 Pro Max. We'll see how it handles. I know that the phone actually recording, so the 14 Ultra is doing just fine. We'll see how it goes with the 17 Pro Max. Let's go. Okay, I just switched to the 17 Pro Max. We'll see how it goes. Firstly, for night shot, night lights, and also microphone test. For your information, I am recording in 4K 60, and I'm using the main camera. So this is the main one. If I try the wide angle, you will see that it's supposed to be good. I'm in the middle of the village, so there is a lot of lights around, and I don't know if you see the bike well. I will switch to the main camera, and it's like day and night, day and night. If I zoom in too, okay, you can see how it goes. 5 times. Oh, well, we lost some light, but you can see some details. How will them goes. And then if I go like 10 times,
10 times. Yeah, this is not usable by night, hardly usable by night. Look. Okay, so this is the 10 times, 5 times, 2 times, and then let's go back to normal mode. So this is still 4K 60 FPS. You see that during nighttime it gives like real good footage, but we can see that in real life. Let me show you the difference with the let me show you the difference with the 14 Ultra. The 14 Ultra, look. Yes. The 14 Ultra still gives me more light than the 17 Pro Max. Okay. So I'm sorry, I'm not a specialist about lens, etc. I just give you my feedbacks and how it goes on reality. 14 Ultra have more blue color. You see, it's more cold color. While the 17 Pro Max, it's more close to reality because the lights here, they are quite yellowish, you know. Let's enter the woods. Yeah, I don't know if you scream, if something happened to you here. I don't know if you will hear anything. Oh, hey brother, I don't want to stay here. I'm just carrying myself. No, I don't want to stay here. This is not a very good place. Okay, let's do some night shot and night zoom of the city. So this is 1, 2. So there's actually a stadium right there. So I don't know if you can see it. 5 times zoom. Oh brother, I can see shit. Okay, you saw the footage of the 5 times on the 17 Pro Max. Let me show you the 5 times on the 14. The 14 Ultra actually does a way better job. You see 5 times, I can see the stadium and it does the focus automatically, you see? This is way better. Look, if I go only with the 17 Pro Max 5 times, this is the result. Yeah. So in night times, for zoom, the 14 Ultra is clearly the winner. Okay, this is night mode, 4K 24 FPS. Okay, this is 8K 30 FPS. Okay guys, we're going back to the center of the town. I let you judge the footage we just got from it. You tell me, what do you think about nighttime shot? What is this? What are they actually doing? Oh, poetry. This is a poetry club. That's great. Okay guys, after 1 month, what can we say about this phone? Well, basically, it became my main phone. If I have to compare with the 14 Ultra, which is filming right now, you saw that in the footage that for the night shot, the 14 Ultra is better, especially for zoom. But if I stay on the main camera, it's filming just fine. I made some reviews and night shot with night filming with this phone. It's okay. It's okay. My usage, personally, my usage has a content creator and also for my business phone for everyday use. For me, it's okay because I really need the selfie mode if I am on focus, for example. So for me, this is like very important. And also, I prefer the screen than the 14 Ultra because the 14 Ultra is like a little bit rounded. Here, it's completely flat, and I do prefer it. Also, I received a lot of comments about this phone because here in France, actually, like I'm maybe one of the few who got it, and like you saw on the spec part, everything is working fine. At the beginning, before some update, I was sometimes losing internet, but like it was like a matter of 1 or 2 days, and after it was I received a patch note, and then after it was working just fine. Also, there is some few cons. The first one, it is that WhatsApp, for example, doesn't synchronize very well with this. The second con, it's that I cannot sync my Xiaomi account and password, etc. I cannot access. I have access to my Xiaomi account, but for example, for the automatic password, doesn't work. Synchronization of the message doesn't work as well. The other cons, maybe, it's the microphone. When I'm recording myself, just talking, for example, I don't know where the mic. Yes, here the mics are located. But if, for example, I will put my hands like this and I record myself, I will have like a robotic voice, something that you don't have at all with the 14 Ultra, for example. Yeah, like if you're holding it like this, it will work just fine. But if you're holding like this, or you're holding it like this, the voice will be like a little bit robotic. So this is the only cons I found on this phone, and for me, it doesn't suppress all the very pros and very good point that this phone has. The fact that it is unique, it's the selfie, the photo and videos during daylight are very good. The screen is perfect. The autonomy of the battery as well. The autonomy is like massive, and it is one of the main things. Selfie and batteries is and big battery is like something very important for me. So yeah. So basically guys, for me, I have like a perfect use of this phone. Even though I would appreciate a global ROM, I think that if one day they release like a global ROM to have more usage of this, for me it's very important, because I use it as a rear camera. You can see right here. But having like more notification on it, like WhatsApp, maybe if you can sync or message or phone calls, etc., it will be appreciated. So I hope you enjoy the real review of the 17 Pro Max and the usage of someone who is using it every day for content creation, for business and photography, and not photography, but you know, filming myself, vlogging, etc. So you can decide for yourself if for you it is enough. The big cons for me, it is zooming while filming or taking photography on night shot. It's not perfect, but other than that, it makes very good photo and very good video as well. And maybe on the next video we can try to make like a comparison with the 14 Ultra. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There is more video to come this way. I have my unique way to create content, so I hope you appreciate it. I'm very attached to make real review, so I hope you enjoy the content, and I hope to see you on the next one as well. Until then, take care and do some sport. Go to the gym, whatever you like, but moving is very important. Peace.